When I first heard the name Yellowknife, I couldn't help but shout, minus 30 degrees Celsius. People actually live there. Back then, I was a tour bus driver, and I could barely speak any English. Working mainly with Japanese tourists meant I never really had a chance to improve. After arriving, I found work as a doorman, then night cleaning, and sometimes even waiting tables. I ended up living in a shared house with Canadians for 3 months, even though I couldn't speak much. Just spending time together, playing guitar, and cooking meant we naturally became friends. I realized that the desire to communicate is what truly nurtures friendship. It's more important than just speaking perfect English. Crossing the distance between hearts is harder than crossing a language barrier. But once you do, a warm and wonderful world is waiting for you. Even without perfect English, the world is wide open. Now, I'm moving on to my next adventure. Thanks for watching. If you liked this story, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you next time.